very game that Ugandans pray for UPDF second division is going to pray for Wizi, our counterparts, RDF. Now we are here just to have our two teams, two forces playing a friendly match. Again, what we should always remind ourselves and more especially young ones, the fiscal participation, contributions that Rwandans supported Ugandans during protracted armed struggle. The same during Rwandan armed struggle to liberate Rwanda, the fiscal participation. Now we are here just to enjoy the beauty of the outcome of our struggles, the success of our liberations, the success of our brotherhood. When you see Musanza and Chisoro, it's the same, even the foodstuffs. So, without taking much of your time, once again, I salute you all. RDF for your patriotic songs, similar to another AUPDF. We stand and salute our leaders. Murakoze cyane kandi mumwebare mnono. In Uganda, Mkungamo. Now today we are here in Musanze. I want to thank the organizers, our host, for good hospitality, good entertainment, home welcome. Turabanezerewe cyane. We are here again to witness our similarities, UPDF, RDF, for people's ideology. The football match we are going to witness, it's not all about who is going to win, but RDF and UPDF winning and showing the strong blood relationship, strong commitments from our spiritual leaders, from our commanding chiefs, General Paul Kagame, the President of the Republic of Rwanda, our Mzee, retired General Yoweri K. Museveni, the commanding chief of UPDF, I bring you greetings from my immediate commander, General Kayanja Muhanga, Commander Armed Forces, and my Chief of Defense Forces, General Muhoozi Kainerugaba.
Your second home. Ujasikie nyumbani. Jisikie nyumbani, hapa ni Kenya. We are truly honored by your visit. Dear comrades, the Uganda Defense Force and the Uganda People's Defense Forces have enjoyed strong friendship for many years, dating back to our liberation struggles, as the General has said. We are pleased that our armed forces continues to strengthen our existing special bond through various programs, including games that we are going to play today. These initiatives plays a critical role in the professional development for our forces and our population. Today is about more than football. We are not only playing for goals, but for friendship and comradeship. I would like to thank the UPDF leadership for the excellent decision for accepting your invitation, for our invitation. Let me extend our appreciation to the local leaders and the corporation for their sparing time to be here today with us. Your presence reminds us that the friendship between the militaries is enforced by the goodwill of the people we serve. Once again, congratulations to each of you, and I wish you entire delegation an enjoyable moment. Together, let us continue to build more security and resilience future of our nations. I thank you for your kind attention. Thank you.